The Asus Rog Zephyrus M16 has been available for a few years now as a premium laptop with a powerful specs and top features in a rather compact and lightweight package. That made it a compelling all-purpose laptop, a jack of all trades that could handle all sorts of requirements including demanding workloads and gaming sessions while still being more portable than the average 16-inch laptop out there. So the model we have, the Asus Rog Zephyrus M16, powered by Intel Core i9 13th generation processor and an RTX 4090 laptop GPU that will give you incredibly amazing performance while gaming or video editing. So let us jump into the review and see what this laptop is offering. Design. The M16 looks much like the previous generation, that is a mid-sized black metal laptop. Once you take out this laptop out of the box, you will appreciate the soft feel of the metal pieces and the overall premium feel of the chassis. Somehow, Asus managed to reinforce this frame and eliminate the creaks and squeaky noises that came from underbelly and armrest of the previous models. The most unique thing that you will notice here is the speaker cuts. The speaker cuts that flank the keyboard have been slightly redesigned and that looks amazing, and the speaker quality is also amazing. I will talk about it later in the video. The laptop's overall ergonomics remain unchanged with the sturdy and smooth ergo lift hinges that elevate the main chassis to enhance airflow into the fans. The screen can be easily adjusted with a single hand and lean back flat to 180 degrees when needed. The edges and corners are wrist friendly and the armrest is spacious with a soft coating. To audio and visual, the Asus Rog Zephyrus M16 has an excellent audio and visual system that makes it perfect for gaming. The 16-inch display is a Quad HD Plus Mini LED and it comes with a 240Hz refresh rate, 3 millisecond response time, and also there is an HDR. The display of the laptop is equipped with an NVIDIA G-Sync technology, allowing for seamless synchronization of the display refresh rate with the frame rate output of the GPU to prevent visual artifacts such as tearing or smearing. It comes with a 90% screen to body ratio, making it possible to see more of the game's UI. So the latest generation of mini LED panels from BOE in 2023 powers the laptop display that comes with up to 1000 plus nits of peak brightness. So here I am playing a video from YouTube. You can see it and you can judge the even picture quality. The audio system is powered by the Dolby Atmos Smart Amp Tech and packs two 2-watt tweeter and a 2-watt dual force woofers. The sound output is crystal clear and it retains its quality even when played at higher volumes. These features makes it an ideal choice for audio design and music applications. So here I am playing an NCM no copyright music. So you can I will play it for 10 to 20 seconds. You can listen to the sound quality. The laptop keyboard boasts a chiclet type design which provides users with a snappy and highly responsive typing experience. It is important to note, however, that due to the speakers being positioned closely to the keyboard, the laptop does not have a num-lock pad, which may be a crucial aspect for gamers. The keyboard and touchpad are both equipped with RGB lighting, which not only illuminates the key during evening sessions but also serve as an aesthetically pleasing feature. Coming to the port selection, it includes a 3.5mm combo audio jack, HDMI 2.1 FRL, 2 USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type A and 1 USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type C, Thunderbolt 4, micro SD reader and Kensington lock. While it is missing an Ethernet port, this may not be an significant issue for a regular laptop, but for a gaming laptop that is intended to replace a desktop PC, it may result in users having to rely solely on wireless connection. Coming to the performance, I have told you the specs. This particular model we have is powered by Intel's Core i9 H series 13th generation processor that runs at 2.6 GHz, boosting up to 5.4 GHz speed with 14 cores comprising 6 performance and 8 efficiency cores. Coming to the graphics option, here also you are getting the class leading graphics. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 offering top of the line graphics performance with a 150 watt max TDP when connected to a powerful power source. The laptop offers dual RAM slots, that is this review unit is coming with a 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, that is dual channel RAM, and one high performance generation 4 SSD that is from Samsung is given. Coming to the battery life, all the laptop suffers a poor battery life. The battery life of this Asus Rog Zephyrus M16 is decent, but it's not outstanding because I have not done much gaming on this laptop because I don't like to play games. So the battery life that I have seen in other reviews, and I have studied its review online in many of the website, it can last for about 6 hours with a moderate usage such as web browsing and light gaming. However, when playing games at high settings, the battery life drops significantly and the laptop needs to be plugged in to maintain optimal performance. So overall, who should buy and why you should buy, or why you must consider Asus Rog Zephyrus M16 when looking for a powerful gaming laptop? The Asus Rog Zephyrus M16 boasts remarkable hardware, design, audio and visual quality, as well as commendable performance. While its color palette may appear modest, its sleek appearance and anime matrix mode are certainly captivating. Its exceptional capacity to execute CPU-intensive tasks, particularly in the gaming realm, is noteworthy, although its battery life is standard for a gaming laptop and necessitates a consistent power source. Buy this laptop for its excellent build quality, fantastic display and speakers, excellent gaming performance and good looks. The disappointments here are it is very expensive, no perky RGB is given or no Ethernet port is given. So this is the review of the newly launched Asus Rog Zephyrus M16, the big, bulky, powerful laptop perfectly designed for gaming. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.